If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making NUKHURA KHECHUDI. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are about 1 cup of fine rice, which is also known as Arua rice, and the type I am using is known as Sita Bhog. Then take about half a cup of moong and soak that in some water for roughly about 2 hours. Then for the whole spices, take some bay leaves, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper, black cardamom and cloves in a blender and blend to make powder of it, from which we need about 2 tablespoons of that. Then take about 1 inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder or haldi, half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing and some salt to taste. Now traditionally, these are made in earthen pots in Lord Jagannath temple. So to show you all, I am using the same. But you can make it in any pan that you have. Don't have to be specific about it. So if you are using an earthen pot, place it on medium flame. Then to that, add about 3 cups of water, followed by all the ginger, hing, salt, haldi, powder, moong and chawal. Now mix it up really well, then cover it with a lid and let it simmer till almost all the moisture is gone and rice is completely cooked. And as we are using the earthen pot, it will soak up some of the moisture. So for that, we are using 3 cups of water. But if you are making this in any other regular pan, then add about 2.5 cups of water. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, NUKHURA KHECHUDI. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.